something that's very important for you to know is this. I'm going to try and assign a variable called x. I'm going to try and make it a string variable. I'm going to run into an error here. Oh, it doesn't know what that function is. StringVar will create a tkinter variable. StringVar is a constructor. What is StringVar? It is a constructor. It will create a tkinter variable. In order to be able to use this function, you must import the tkinter library. So let's do that. Import. Now in version 3, it's tkinter, all lowercase. Import tkinter. And then from tkinter, import star. Now I'm going to key in x equals string var. This is the string variable constructor. And did I spell that correctly? Oh, I made one other mistake. I forgot. I have to assign the parent window. So, dad, I'll call the parent window dad. Dad equals t, capital TK, open and close parens. And I hit enter. And now, x equals string var. I'm very careful with the upper lowercase there. And it works. What do you know? X is now a tkinter variable. What value can I set into this thing? Well, to set a value into the variable called x, I would say, take x and set a value into it. What value? Let's key in the value wo wei shua. I can speak Mandarin. And, well, let's make this interesting. Then that, wo wei shua, yidiar putonghua. A little bit of Chinese. Close quotes, close parens, hit enter. There we go. Now, we just set this text into this string variable object, this tkinter string variable. So now, x contains this. So that's how you do it. So if you're going to create a tkinter variable, you have to, using this tkinter function, you must import tkinter, and then from tkinter you must import star, and then before you do any assignment, before you call the constructor, you have to assign a parent window. And then you can call the constructor and tell it to make a variable out of this, a string variable out of this guy, a tkinter string variable out of whatever is your L value, and then you set some value into that variable using the set method. Once you've done that, then you can have fun. Then you can say y equals message. And the parent window is dad, and your text, I'm going to run out of space on here, so text variable equals x. That slash character allows me to write the rest of the functions, the rest of the options of the function on the next line. So, for visibility purposes. And then a comma. No, let's end it right there, like so. Now, I've got the message, and I've got the variables all defined. One thing I haven't done is I haven't packed it up. Let's pack it up now. Y.pack and open. Don't forget the open close parens. And then I tell the parent window, dad, to execute the main loop. And it's going to do it in a second. Where is it? Where'd he go? Come on. There he is. Oh, you naughty boy. There he is. He's hiding behind dad.